Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, here we are for learning science. So, I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassiramis, and we learn about plants today again. So, we continue our lesson number 3, the world of plant. In today's topic is again type of the plant. So let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line, that if you want to achieve success, believe in your dreams. So if you want to achieve your success, if you want to be successful, then believe in your dreams and always follow them. So your dreams brings you success. So what is the line? That if you want to achieve success, believe in your dreams. So let's start our today's lecture. What we learn today? We learn today about types of the plant, and today we learn about tree. So we already learned about creepers, climbers and small plants, and today we learn about tree. So let's start, but before we start, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So let's revise. We learn about creepers. That what is creepers, why we call it creepers, where creepers grow. We learn all these things yesterday. So let's see. We learn about creepers like watermelon, pumpkin and muskmelon. Then where creepers grow? The creepers are grow along the ground. So creepers are not grow on tree, in pot, in plant like rose and like climbers. They cannot climb. So they grow along the ground. They need a big ground to grow. So you can see here ground, then the picture of pumpkin which is growing along the ground. Then where creepers grow? Creepers are grow along the ground, which we learned yesterday. Then we plant a watermelon yesterday. So which seed we take for watermelon? Growing watermelon? We take a seed of watermelons, then we planted in land, then we give sunlight, water and air, then leaves start growing, then little watermelons are there, then they start growing, then we get so many watermelons. So yesterday we grow watermelon and we learn that fruits like watermelon, pumpkin grow along the ground because they are heavy. So here you can see the picture of watermelon. The another example is muskmelon. You can see here muskmelon. Then pumpkin is also example of creepers. Then we learn water creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. So watermelon, pumpkin and muskmelons are creepers. Why they grow along the ground? Because they are heavy. You can see here that I write creepers are heavy. That's why they cannot grow straight like climbers, and they grow along the ground only. Because pumpkin is heavy, watermelon is heavy. So they cannot grow up. They cannot grow straight. That's why they are creepers. Then here you can see the difference between creepers and other plant. That apple is a small and watermelon is a big. That's why watermelon grow along the ground and apple grow on tree. So where creepers grow? When you grow creeper like watermelon, pumpkin, muskmelon and many other, you have to take care of them. So you have to make that type of frame where you grow creepers. You can see here how take care of creepers. And here you can see the picture of watermelon. Then we learn how watermelon grow in different shape. Here is a square shape watermelon. We put a mold there and watermelon start growing as a mold. Then heart shape watermelon. And here is you can see square shape watermelon. And what are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground are creepers. Creepers cannot grow straight like climbers because they are heavy. So these all are creepers we learned yesterday. They cannot grow like apple on tree because they are heavy. So today we learn about tree. So it is a type of the plant, that tree. So we learn about how tree grow, then how they grow straight, why we called it tree. All these things we learn today. So let's start that what is tree, how tree looks, how trees are different than creepers, climbers and small plants. So we learn three types of plant, okay, that creepers, climbers and small plants. So today we learn about tree and we see the difference between creepers, climbers and small plants and tree. So we start with these pictures. So here is a picture of tree. It is a tree. You can see here it is a banana tree. Long leaves. You can see the leaves of banana. It is a big. The stem of banana is strong and they straight. So it is a picture of banana tree. You can see small plants also there. Which tree is that? Ashoka tree. So it is also straight. So in our school, near nursery building, there is a Ashoka tree. You can see. It is a one big tree. The stem of tree is very strong. You can see here. Then it is a dates tree, which we eat as a fruit. So you can see the stem of this tree is different from mango tree and coconut tree or banana tree. So you can see here different type of stem and the fruit is also up. You can see it is not grow like a creeper. Then apple tree. We all learn about apple trees. Okay, so we see that video that apple is growing from flower. Then neem tree. So what is tree? Some plants are big and strong. These all plants are called tree. we see the pictures of all plants, we see again that we see here all these plants are big. You can see the banana tree is big. Then Asoka tree is big. You can see all these plants are big. And the stem of these plants are very strong. So the plants that big and have strong stem are called tree. Why we called it tree? Because these all plants are very big. You can see the rose is a small plant. When this plant is a very big and the stem of rose plant is very small, it is woody but it is a small, not big like this tree. So that's why trees are the plant which are big and have strong stem. You can see here the stem of the plant which very big. So these all picture are show us that trees are big and the stem of the trees are also strong. That's why we called it trees. So what is tree? Plants are big and strong. These all plants are called tree. So here you can see the picture of one tree with leaves and stem. This is the picture of one big plant which we learn that. So do you remember that we grow one mango plant with help of seed of mango? Here you can see the seed of mango. Then we grow one big mango plant with a seed. So you can see here that a mango plant is start growing and a big mango plant is grow. So we watering it every day. So let's see our mango plant's growth. So here is our mango plant which we grow in our lecture, and now it is a very big mango plant. You can see here our mango plant is grow very good. So here is the mango plant. It is a tree because the stem of mango plant is very big. So here you can see the stem of mango plant. You can see the stem of mango plant and it's grown. So we called it tree because it is a big plant and the strong of this plant is very. So here you can see the stem of mango plant which grow very strong. That's why we called it tree. So the plants that are big and their strong stem, we called it tree. So let's see the difference between other types of plant and trees. So here you can see the stem of rose plant and other stem of big plant. So let's see the difference, that here is a small plant and here is a tree. So small plant has small stem when trees has a big stem and strong stem. You can see the stem of rose plant is very thin when stem of tree is very big. So it is a difference between small plant and tree. Then let's see the difference between climbers and tree. The stem of climbers are soft. You can see here the climber which grow with support of a something. And here is a big tree of banana. So it is grow straight when climber is grow with support. So it is a difference between climbers and trees. So climbers are small plant and it is grow with support, when trees are big plant and they grow without support and they grow straight. So here is a picture of climber which we grow yesterday. We grow watermelon yesterday. So you can see here the picture of watermelon and a picture of dates tree. So this is a difference between creepers and big tree. That creepers are grow along the ground. They grow in ground. The watermelon is grow in ground. When you can see the dates are grow on tree. So they are grow straight, when creepers cannot grow straight because they grow along the ground. So you can see the difference between creepers and trees. So how we divide plants in different parts, and we divide plant in different types with help of stem. So the difference between stems and difference between leaves and difference between fruits. So that's why we divide all plants in different types. So here you can see the example of creepers and tree that show us different between their stems. Now, what is tree? Plant that with big and strong stem grow straight without support are tree. So we learn that plant that are big and strong. We see the picture of mango plant which is a big and strong. We see the picture of banyan tree when we learn about roots. So banyan tree is also big tree and the root of banyan tree is grow in land. And the stem of banyan tree is very strong. So that's why the stem which grows straight without support, like climbers are grow straight with support of thread or wall or other plant, when the tree grows straight without support. You can see that coconut tree is very tall and it is grow without any support, and coconut tree also grow straight. So that's why we called it tree. That plant with big and strong stem grows straight without support are tree. So we learn about tree today and we see the picture of trees also. So let's revise that what we learned today and what we learn in lesson number 3, the world of plant. So first start that what we learn in lesson number 3. So what is the name of our lesson? The lesson name is the world of plant. So we learn about plants in this lesson. Then let's revise the whole lesson which we learn from the beginning. So we learn about types of the plant, that small plants, climbers, creepers and tree. So These all are types of the plant. We also learn about small plants like coriander and mint, that they all are very small. So we learn about types of plant, and first we learn about small plants like rose and curry leaves and mint, coriander. All these are small plant. So all these things we learn in this lesson. Then we learn about second type of plant, climber. You can see here the picture of climbers, that grapevine, yummy fruit. Then here is a second picture of climber that grow with support. You can see here that climbers are grow with support. Then we learn about creepers like pumpkin, watermelon and muskmelon. Why we called it creepers? Because they are growing along the ground. They need ground to grow. They cannot grow in pot also. They cannot grow in water also. They cannot grow straight like climbers also, with support. So these all are creepers. We learn about that. Then we learn about tree, which we learn today, that how tree grow straight without support with the help of the stem. So here you can see the picture of tree. Then we learn about what plants need to grow. That plants need air, water, sunlight and soil. So plant is use air in breathing. Plant take water from soil, and plant need sunlight to grow, and plants are grow in soil. So these four things need plant to grow. So here we see the picture of things which plants need to grow. So sunlight, air, water and soil. All these things we use when we grow lotus, when we grow mango plant, when we grow watermelon and other plants. So these things plants need to grow. You can see that plants need seeds to grow. Here I show you the picture of some seeds. Watermelon seeds, apple seeds, mango seeds and sunflower seeds. So when we grow mango plant, we use seed of mango that we take from here. Then we plant watermelon yesterday. So we take seeds of watermelon. When we grow lotus, so we take seeds of lotus. Remember you? No, we not use seeds to grow lotus, because some plants also grow from roots. So we take roots of lotus. So most of the plants are grow from seeds. We learn in this lesson. Then we learn that flowers also contain seeds which we use to reproduction. So seeds is an important thing for plant. We learn that in this lesson. Then we learn about parts of the plant. So how many parts of the plant? 5. Which are they? First, when we grow plant, which plants start growing? Roots, then stem, then leaf, then flower, and last part of the plant is fruit. Some plants has only leaf on it. Some plants only grow flowers with leaves, and some plants grow fruits So every plant has root, stem and leaf. These three things available in every plant, but flower and fruits are not available in every plant. So some flowers are changes into the fruit and some fruits grow directly. We see the video of one plant. In that video you see that how apple grow from flower. So these all are parts of the plants, which are the root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. We all learn in this lesson. Here you can see the first part of the plant. Which part is root? So first, when we grow plant, first part is root. Where roots grow? Root is an underground part of the plant. So here you can see the root which we learn in this lesson. So here we revise the lesson number 3, the world of plant. So second part of the plant is stem. Here you can see the bamboo plant. The name of this plant is bamboo plant. The part is stem. You can see here stem that grow after roots. So here is a stem. Now third part is leaf, which grow after stem. So here you can see the picture of leaf which grow after stem. So first roots grow, then stem grow, then leaf start growing. So here is a picture of neem tree. The leaves are there, so you can see the leaf. It is a leaf. Then we learn about flower. You remember that we plant a rose in pot. In that we see that how rose plant is growing. So we learn about flowers also, that some flowers are changes into the fruit. Some flowers are not changes into the fruit. So flower is also important part of the plant which contain seeds also like fruits, and they protect seeds. We see the picture of sunflower which contain seeds. So we learn about flower as a part of the plant, like rose plant and lotus and many other plant only has flowers. They not change into the fruit. Then we learn about fruits: watermelon, papaya, mango and strawberry. You can see here these fruits and many other fruits like banana, muskmelon, grapes and other fruits. So we also learn that vegetables which we eat are also fruit of the plant, that brinjal, tomato, cucumber, these all are fruits of the plant. So vegetables are also fruit of the plant. We learn this in lesson. Then we see the types of the plant. So what are types of the plant? How many types of the plant? 4 types of the plant. So first is tree, which we learn today about trees, that what are trees. Trees are big and strong plant which grow straight without any support. So these all are trees. Then we learn about climbers. Climbers need support to grow straight and they take help of wall or thread or other plants. Then third thing, we learn that creepers. We learned yesterday about creepers. So we learn about creepers yesterday. We grow watermelon which grow along the ground. So these all things we learn in this lesson, and these all are types of the plant. We also learn about small plants like rose, coriander and mint and many other plants. So I hope you all understand this lesson number 3, the world of plant, and learn how to grow plants.